Hey, what's up, Silver Fox Nation? It's Silver Fox here. Hey, I've done a couple of remodels as far as appliance goes in my house. And in the previous place we lived, we remodeled. And I think the only thing that we ended up throwing away was a working refrigerator that nobody would take. But it was pretty old, probably from about the 90s. And decided not to sell it, or we couldn't sell it and decided not to keep it. But here's an idea in this economy. That was like 2018, 19, so people were pretty throwaway back then with a better economy. This is an older Hot Point, like early 2000s dishwasher. This is made by like GE Whirlpool. They actually made these dishwashers as a workhorse, and it's 2023, about to be 2024 tomorrow. If you're remodeling, either keep what you have just in case the new ones break, or even better yet, sell this on like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or newspaper classifieds. This is about $389 new. Granted, it's 20 years old, but I think it's evident that these last a while from it still not breaking and working. I'm going to list it for $150. I'm probably willing to take even just $50. We'll see. But I mean, that's a killer deal, especially if it's $389 to get a new one and you're kind of in a pinch. Why wouldn't you buy it? And comes with your drain line. It's already got two different water lines here, the smaller one and the fat one. And then you got some hardware here. I mean, you're all set up. So if you're doing any remodeling, think about any other way to make money off of working appliances. Sell them. And also, if you're changing out like your sinks or vanities or cabinets, mirrors, that kind of thing. My cabinets, there's no way you could even salvage these. They're really nice. I mean, look, that's wood, but there's no way you're gonna salvage that to resell it. But I have sold like a double bowl sink that was stainless steel. I think I sold it for $50, $75. But I mean, otherwise I would have just thrown it away. So make a little bit of money, save the environment a little bit, keep things out of the landfill. So why not, guys? Just something out of the box to think about. All right, have a good New Year. See ya.